Why Cisco is one of my top dividend stocks for 2020 and beyond. YouTube algorithm gods say first 7 seconds is most important for your viewers to keep watching. Do you like money? If you do, you will spend few minutes on this video. It will help you a lot. Dividend-paying stocks like Cisco Systems Inc. (CSCO) tend to be popular with investors, and for good reason. Some research suggests a significant amount of all stock market returns come from reinvested dividends. Yet sometimes, investors buy a stock for its dividend and lose money because the share price falls by more than they earned in dividend payments. Cisco Systems paid its first dividend 8 years ago. The dividend has been quite stable over the past 8 years, which is great to see. Although we usually like to see the dividend maintained for a decade before giving it full marks though. During the past 8-year period, the first annual payment was US 24 cents in 2011 compared to $1.40 last year. I just add Cisco on my portfolio. Cisco is the world leader in mission-critical IT hardware with about 50% of sales coming from switches and routers. The company first began paying dividends in 2011, which they increased an average of 125% the first 2 years. Over the last 5 years, Cisco increased dividend an average of 13.6% per year. Cisco Systems has grown its earnings per share at 9.3% per annum over the past 5 years. It's good to see decent earnings growth and a low payout ratio. 72% of all software sales are now subscription-based. Things like coronavirus can affect a lot of businesses, but not the one that is run by Cisco. The company is evolving their business, continues to have ultra-strong cash flows, and pays a growing and reliable dividend. Looking back 20 years, few technology companies have been able to withstand the changing industry and grow their business. If you invested $10,000 in CSCO back in the early 90s, your investment today would be worth nearly $4 million. Crazy, right? If nothing else, just look at companies like Amazon and Netflix who are having subscription revenue. Stop there for a second and subscribe on this channel so one day you can maybe buy my stocks. If this video helped you guys to decide about investing in Cisco stock, smash the like button and check my other videos.